What's the meaning of broth? Broth. Broth.
Broth. Broth. Broth refers to a savory liquid made by simmering meat, fish, or vegetables in water with seasonings. The result is a flavorful and nutritious base for soups, stews, and sauces. Broths can be made from various ingredients and have different health benefits depending on the ingredients used. For example, chicken broth is high in protein and helps boost the immune system, while bone broth is rich in collagen and promotes joint health. Generally, broths are easy to digest and can be a comforting food when one is feeling under the weather.